Have you ever wondered how your phone can predict your next word as you type? Or how Netflix knows exactly what movie you'll love? The answer lies in artificial intelligence, specifically a branch called machine learning. Today, we're going to dive into 7 secrets about the new AI that's changing the world as we know it. Secret number 1. AI is learning, not programming. Unlike traditional software, AI doesn't follow strict rules. Instead, it learns from vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and making predictions. This means AI systems can adapt and improve over time, becoming more intelligent. Secret number 2, neural networks, the brain of AI. At the heart of many AI systems are neural networks inspired by the human brain. These networks consist of interconnected nodes that process information and learn from experience. Neural networks are particularly good at tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. Secret number 3, AI is everywhere. AI is no longer confined to research labs. It's already integrated into our daily lives. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is shaping the way we live, work, and play. And it's only going to become more prevalent in the future. Secret number 4, AI can be creative. You might think that creativity is a uniquely human trait, but AI is challenging that notion. AI systems can generate music, write poetry, and even create original works of art. This opens up exciting possibilities for new forms of expression and collaboration between humans and machines. Secret number 5, AI raises ethical questions. As AI becomes more powerful, it also raises important ethical questions. Issues like bias, privacy, and job displacement need to be carefully considered. It's crucial to develop ethical guidelines for the development and deployment of AI. Secret number 6, AI is still evolving. While AI has made significant progress, it's still a rapidly evolving field. New breakthroughs are happening all the time, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The future of AI is bright, and we can expect to see even more amazing developments in the years to come. Secret number 7, AI is a tool, not a replacement. AI is a powerful tool that can augment human capabilities, but it's not meant to replace us. By working together, humans and AI can achieve great things. The key is to use AI responsibly and ethically to benefit society as a whole.